Yes, welcome back children. Already we saw the same slide, yes no? Here, this slide I am explained what means a building containing, okay, the building in Lothal area, it containing finished and unfinished beads, okay. Because the people used a lot of beads for many purposes, okay. For example, they making ornaments and they embedded in the house walls also. So here, so they used a lot of beads, and also there was a workshop they found in the place. They found a place they used as a workshop for making beads. A building containing pieces of stone, finished and unfinished beads. Tools for bead making has been found. And also they found a tool for making bead. Okay. Here it was probably the workshop of bead makers, and also a dockyard was found here indicating its trade links with other areas. So what here, that place, probably that place was used as a workshop for making beads, okay. And a dockyard was found here indicating its trade links with other areas, okay. What they are saying, a dockyard means a place, it connects the ground and waterways, okay. That place are called a dockyard. So we know that they used the waterways to go for the distant lands. So they found a dockyard in this place in the Lothal area and indicating its trade links with other areas. Okay. So the waterways only they used to move to the other areas. That they found a dockyard. They found dockyard means a place connect the waterways and land. Then the mystery of the end. Okay, now we came to the end of the Indus Valley or Harappan civilization. Okay, mystery end. What is mystery ends? People don't know the proper reason. Okay, mystery means anonymous. What we are saying, without reason, we can't imagine what happened. Okay, so here the mystery end, how the Harappan civilization came to end, what happened to all those peoples, what happened to these big buildings, why they destroyed, how they destroyed, what happened to these places, everything. Okay, how it was came to end, why it was not found is now, everything. Around 1750 BCE, that is in the 17th, the Harappan culture began to decline. Various causes being suggested for this change. Historians and archaeologists saying lot of reasons for this change, how the change happened. All the Harappan sites planning and construction became less efficient than earlier times. Okay, at very first they planned their towns in a well manner, but later that efficient manner was less. That also a reason for the decline. Okay. Then next, there was no proper planning for for construction of their town. Then some people suggest that expansion neighboring desert increased fertility here. Okay, the neighboring places may be changed into desert. They turn into desertification, and due to that fertility is increased in this place. Because of that, lot of people migrated from nearby areas and they started to settle in this area. So what automatically will happen, the places may have lot of population. It's loaded with heavy population. The wealth may not surplus for them. Do that also, the civilization declined. Then this in turn was responsible for the decline of the civilization, and made this happen a war also among the people. The more people migrated from the nearby areas and they started to settle in these areas, it may given a war among themselves. Okay, so that also a reason for the declination. Okay, then next the Mohenjo-daro. The city of Mohenjo-daro became weak under the pressure of population. There was an influx of refugees into the city. Here Mohenjo-daro is a well-developed city. That city was weak because of pressure of population. So lot of refugees came and settled in these places. Okay, in Mohenjo-daro city. Due to that also the city declined, because already I told you that there was no surplus food. And people saying desertification, deforestation happened. Why the deforestation? Here the people build their houses and buildings with lot of baked bricks. Okay, for that they continuously cut the trees. Because baking bricks with the wood. Okay, so for that they continuously cut the trees. That deforestation, due to deforestation, rainfall was failure in that place. So that given the desertification for them. For that also they declined. The Indus Valley civilization declined. So this is also one reason. Due to heavy population and desertification or the deforestation. Why they deforested? Why they often cut the trees? For baking the bricks. Okay, that also a reason they are saying. And at Mohenjo-daro, rooms were divided into smaller portions and street plans were no longer followed. Here the portions was divided into so small, because lot of people started to settle in Mohenjo-daro. Because of that they are divide the portions into too small. Okay, and the roads also, street plans also not maintained well, and the drainage system also not maintained well. Because of that, what happened? The streets were piled with garbages. Okay, we saw the inspection holes where they given in the drainage system to often clean the drainage, or if any problems means they open and clear it. Okay, for that they given the inspection holes in the drainage system. But later they are not maintained. Maybe they are not maintained that properly. Because of that, garbage is piled on the streets. So what happened automatically? Maybe there was a big disease spread all over the area. It killed the people. Anything happened. So due to that also the Harappan civilization declined. Okay. So these are the reasons, they say, the historian says, why the Indus Valley civilization declined. And another reason here, excavations reveal that Mohenjo-daro itself was flooded more than once. So it was very near to the Indus River, and maybe it often had the flood. Okay, due to that also the decline. It was distracted by the flood. Traces of at least 3 main phases of deep flooding, they traced the phases, can be detached here. That also they attached a reason here for the declination of the Harappan or Indus Valley civilization. And at last, at other places, it is suggested that the rivers changed their course or dried up, which again led to a shift of the population to other areas. So what they are saying here, maybe the rivers changed its course, okay, it turned to other ways because of it dry, okay, because the river is the most important source for the people's life. Maybe the rivers changed its course and dried up. So for that, which again led to a shift of the population. So automatically the people shift to the another area to in search of their living places and food and other things. Okay. So here they are saying that also a reason for the declination, destructions of the Indus Valley civilization. Okay, children, I hope you understand. In this lesson, in this session, we saw the three things. One is a closer look to the Harappan cities, that is Dholavira and Lothal cities we saw. Yes, no? Dholavira is a city near the Gujarat, and the city was divided into three. Each city was surrounded with massive stone walls, with gateways also, entrances with gateways also. And Lothal was a city near to the Gulf of Cambay. This city was built with shell, stone, beads and everything. And there was a dockyard also found here. It shows that people keep the trade with the distant land. And the mystery of the end, okay. How this civilization, this much biggest civilization came to end, how it was declined, how it was destructed, okay. That's the reason. Historian says all the reasons are suggestion only. We don't know the proper reason, okay. So what are the reasons here? Historian says, first their planning was not good later, like earlier. Then the buildings and the street plans, drainage systems were not maintained in a proper way. Okay, due to that, the garbage is piled upon the street and it causes many diseases to the people. It may kill the people. Okay. Then desertification. Neighboring places are become desertification. Due to that, the people shifted, migrated to these areas. There was no surplus food, so that also may reason that also causes the declination. Then deforestation, that also a reason they are saying. Continuously they are cut down the trees for baking clay bricks, so that gives the low rainfall for them. So that may give shift to the another place. And they are saying maybe the flood from the Indus river, that also a reason. Then the river course changed its direction and may it dried up. Because of that, there was no water resources for them, so that they shifted their living place to the another areas. That also their reason. Maybe the newly towns were built up above the town itself. That also they were saying as a reason. Then let's revise. Where was the city of Dholavira located? In Gujarat. Name an important center for making objects out of stone, shell and metal. It is in Lothal, making bead making workshop. What was the advantage of sealing? The advantage of sealing, maybe they used as a coin, money or a trademark, okay, whatever. The next two questions is homework for you. What would have been the reasons for the decline of the Harappan civilization? Okay, what are the reasons? Here we saw lot of reasons. Okay, so you want to go through your book, read your textbook and give the proper reason. Okay, you want to give the proper reasons why the Indus Valley civilization declined. And another one, describe the burial process followed by the Egyptian. That also given in your book in the small box. Read that box and give the answer to me. Okay. These 5 practice questions you want to write it in your CW today. This week onwards I am going to check your CW every day 5 members. Be ready. Okay. Then next one more exercise I am giving for you, that is picture based question. Observe the picture. The statue given in your book also. Read that paragraph in the book. Who could be the person shown in the statue? Okay. Who? He was a king or a farmer or who? Name the material used to make this statue. What are the material they used to make this statue? Where has this statue been found? Where it is? Where Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholavira, where it is found. Then describe the features of this statue. Okay. So this exercise also you want to write in your CW. Okay children. Yes, go to your book, give the proper answers for me. If you have any doubt, you ask me. I will explain you again. Yes dears, thank you. Bye. Take care.